Now I will discuss the meaning of logic. The word logic is derived from the Greek word logos, which means reason. Logic deals with the methods of reasoning. It is also called Boolean logic or symbolic logic. We all know that language is the medium of communication of our thoughts. We communicate our ideas to others through sentences. Normally, we use assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, etc. A statement is a declarative or assertive sentence which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. That means statement value may be either true or false, but not both. Statements are denoted by small letter English alphabets P, Q, R, S, etc. Mathematical identities are true statements. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square is a mathematical identity. So the truth value is true because that values are already proved. Here it is x plus 0 equal to x is given. Sentences which are imperative, exclamatory and interrogative are not statements. That means question words, please, that kind of words are coming and exclamation marks are coming, question words are coming, then that kind of sentences are not statements. Open sentence. An open sentence is a sentence whose truth value can vary according to some conditions which are not stated in the sentence. For example, he is intelligent. According to me, that person is intelligent. But according to you or other person, he is not intelligent. So, the value of that statement or sentence is changing. So, that is why it is not a statement. So, x plus 2 equal to 7. Here again, it is incomplete because x belongs to any set is not given. If it is given as x belongs to n or x belongs to rational number, then it is a statement. But it is not given here. That is why it is an open sentence. Open sentence is not a statement. Now, the truth value of a statement. Either it is true or false. So, if a statement is true, the truth value is true. If statement is false, then the truth value is capital F. One can use 1 and 0 in the place of true and false. Capital T represents for true. So you can use in the place of T, you can use C1, and in the place of capital F, you can use 0. Some examples are given. Check the following are statement or not and find the truth value. The first statement is sun rises in the east. This is a proved statement. So the truth value is true. Now next is 5 plus 10 equal to 16. In this one, 5 plus 10 is 15 actually. So it is a proper statement, but the statement value is wrong. So that is why it is false. 6 is a prime number. We all know that 6 is not a prime number. So it is not a the truth value is false. Now shut the door. It's a command. So that is why it is not a statement. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Again, it is a very true statement. What a beautiful place it is. Exclamatory mark is given in the end. So, this is not a statement. X plus 6 is equal to 9. Here again, x belongs to some set is not given. That is why it is not a statement. It is an open sentence. Mathematics is an easy subject. This is again complicated one because mathematics is not easy for all. That is why depends upon the person if the value changes. So it is not a statement. It is an open sentence. Some questions are given to you, so you have to solve it. Now, logical connectives. The words or phrases which are used to connect two statements are called logical connectives. We will study the connectives here are and, or, if, then, if and only if, not, etc. Simple and compound statements. A statement which cannot be split further into two or more statements is called a simple statement. And if a statement is the combination of two or more simple statements, then it is called compound statement. For example, 3 is a prime and 4 is an even number. That means actually 3 is a prime number. That is a first simple statement. And second one is 4 is an even number. So two simple statements are connected with and. So 3 is a prime and 4 is an even number. So it is a compound statement. We can divide this into two simple statements. That is why it is a compound statement. Now 3 and 5 are twin primes. It is a simple statement because we cannot split into two or more statements. This one. Next is different connectives are. It is given in tabular form, which is really easy to remember. So first column gives connectives and, or, not, if, then, if and only if, etc. And the symbolic form is given in the third column, and last column it is given as the name we represent in this one, in this chapter. Actual words for this connectives. So first one, and. The symbol is reverse symbol of V. So actual name of this is conjunction. So for conjunction we used to use and. Next is or, and the symbol is like V. So disjunction is the name of this. Third one is not. Negation is the word using for this one. So for negation we will apply not. And the symbol is equivalent like symbol. If then. Next is if then. If then there is a some dots are given in between them because you have to fill it with proper statement in between. If is starting, so if you are studying well, then you will get good marks. So that is why you have to apply this. So symbol is arrow marks one-sided, and this is called conditional. So otherwise you can call it as implication also. Next is if and only if. So starting and the ending part you can see that dots. That means you have to apply this if and only if word in between two simple statements. Otherwise you can write it as IFF also. So the symbol is double-sided arrow mark. So the name of this is biconditional or equivalence. Double implication also can you see. Next one, conjunction. If two statements are combined by using the logical connective and, then it is called a conjunction. So simple statements are connected with and, then it is conjunction. So P, Q are two statements. Simple statements are given here. So you have to write P, first statement P, then you have to use and in between that. Then it is called conjunction. And symbolic way is P symbol is reverse of V symbol. So P and Q. We have to read like this. P and Q, or you have to read it as P conjunction Q. P and Q is true if and only if both P and Q are true. That means if both the simple statements are true, then only the conjunction is true. That means P and Q will be true. Truth table for conjunction is, you have to by heart this one, this table. This is very important. So there are three columns, P, Q and P and Q. So first row, the value of the statement P is true and the value of truth value of Q is also true. So both the values are true, then the conjunction is true. This conjunction is also similar to intersection in set theory. We already studied in 11th standard. Second row, first statement value is true and second statement value is false. We have to read like this: true and false is false. Third row is false and true is false. Fourth row is false and false is false. Disjunction. If two statements are combined by using the logical connective OR, then it is called as disjunction. So OR is the word for disjunction. And we used to write P or Q like this. And notation P, V-shaped symbol, then Q. We have to read it as P or Q. Otherwise, P disjunction Q. So, P or Q is false if and only if both P and Q are false. So, both the statement values are false, then only the disjunction value will be false. Remaining all the three cases, it will be true. So, truth table again you have to by heart. Again, the first row values, both the statements are true, then it is true clearly. Then, second row, first statement is true, second statement is false. So, the answer is true. Third row, first value is false, false or true is true. Fourth row, you have to read it like this: false or false is false. So, some exercise questions are given to you related to this topic. There are two questions. There you have to write the following compound statement symbolically. You have to read it and symbolically you have to write it. Now, write the truth value of the following. There are three questions given to you. So, you have to write the truth value of each of the statements. Thank you.